Oh.
Boys and girls, it's the moment you'll be waiting for, another YouTube unboxing video. I have a point this time. Watch this. Even though my mate who's filming this, I have no idea what I got. I got it from a train wrecking yard, believe it or not. Thank you very much, MerseyRail and David. That's nicer. I'm really thought of this, I'm not really sure I can open it without help. Like the class 4 disc or something, like everything. Oh no. Here you go.
Oh my god.
I shouldn't do this to whatever courteous. This is a grab rail from a class what's it, 508, 507 class. Basically, I want to prove a point to you folks in the railway industry that disabled folks need grab rails. Say, like this rule, it's the side of a train. Obviously, this ain't going to go fast or anything. If you go fast, you're braking fast. Where bloody hell do you hold on to? There's few train designs out there without anything to hold on to at all. You can see there's been some thought made into this. So you plonk it, bit on the wall there. Use your arms and fast forward this bit. Come around here, sir. The idea is you can rest your arm like that if you're in a wheelchair. So you've got good grip as well, because you can put your hand there. Or just go like that. The point is, then the train stops violently, hold that, you hold on to that. Without going straight over someone's foot if they've got seats in the front. So, folks in the train industry, every train needs a grab rail. Thank you very much, David. Thank you very much, MerseyRail. Adios.